how to change your region or country on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile. So what you can simply do over here is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and this will lead you to settings and activity. So now if you want to change your region or country, tap on account center and let's tap on the personal details option over here. So as you can see there, we do not have any option to change the location or region or country over here. So let's go back and check on our profile. So let's get back and tap on edit profile. So as you tap on edit profile, we can see that we do not have direct option over here. So what we can simply do is, in order to change the region or country on Instagram, we need to change the region or country in our device itself. So first of all, we need to go to the settings application on our device and simply scroll down and tap on the option of additional settings. Now tap on the region, and here you can simply select on any of the regions over here, and as you do that, you'll be able to change your region on Instagram as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.